Sige na.
Bango pa. Maawa ka naman.
Check. Alden, bago tayo mag-usap, ka muna.
Let's go.
Photo daw. Ayoko maniwala. Okay. Oh! Nag-iba tayo.
Oo, pero kami nang naka-front na yan. Hindi ko kami. Nabera, hindi na lang natin dalawa.
Marami nagtatanong, Alden.
Ano?
Anong oras ka daw umuwi kagabi? Standby na daw.
Standby na.
Ano na, mga special award na. Special award. Ayan.
Kasi nag-taping pa siya kahapon.
Metal rap.
Taping. GMA Gala.
Mga ano na, special award.
Marami rin sa mga nandito ngayon ay galing sa GMA.
Gala rin. Congratulations. Oh. Ano pala yung tatay ko? Sabi niya gano'n. Sa picture rin. Chup. Congratulations, BMPC, 40 years.
10 years na. Golden na. Oo, kung dito ka pa.
Saan na naman? Sa mundong ito?
Hindi,
Sana
sa
naman.
showbiz ang ibig. 10 years.
Kailangan pa. Hindi pa ako bayad sa kasal eh.
We would like to call the presence of Engineer Benjamin Austria and Miss Moril Eco. Engineer Benjamin Austria and Miss Moril Eco to kindly proceed to the backstage. Thank you.
Pwede na po mag...
Yung tambalan.
Banter lang.
Banter.
Kaya nung pag gusto ito, no, iba yung aura mo ngayon, ang saya-saya mo.
Siyempre. Talaga.
Inspired ka ba?
Choice yun. Inspired tayo. Choice naman.
Namin yung tambalan.
Pero ikaw ba?
Choice mo bang pumunta doon?
Oo naman.
Kakap ako, baka may mga... Oh, nakataas oh. Oh, wala ko sinasabi.
Support tayo.
Wala si Fiona.
Na. Support. Apo. Tayo.
Pero,
Si Alfred pa lang nakikita ko. Maliban kay si
saan
Ding
na?
Dong.
Inside there? No.
Kaya sila kanilang dalawa.
Abangan niyo po ah. Hello, love again.
Hindi, kasi si Ding Dong. Kasi si Ding Dong, may award, di ba? May award sila ni Maria.
Oo.
Yung box office.
Oo, nakabook na eh. Bukas may taping ka ng pulang araw.
Hindi rin yung pupunta dito sa
Tuesday.
Pilipinas.
Segway pa yan, pulang araw pa rin yun. Kasi matagal kang mawala.
May award sila, di ba?
Hindi.
Eh di sinuna
Yes,
naman
Ding.
bibigyan ng
Mag-guesting
award sa
ka?
dekada.
Saan?
Ako, wala si Piolo, wala si Billy, wala si Polo. So, ako sa'yo na.
Ikaw na busy ito.
Bakit hindi nila matanggap na national artist?
Hindi na nila lang. Ang talaga nila. Alam naman nila magiging.
Daming pera ni Alden Richards.
Ano naman, nandiyan na sa
Hindi mo naman pangbayad mo ng overtime. Kumain na po ba kayo? Hindi pa.
Ayan mo na.
Huwag kayong mag-alala, nakausap ko na si Alden. Siya na daw po bahala.
Saan?
Palakpakan niyo po si Alden Richards. Maraming salamat. Alright, we'll be in very soon.
Our next presenters of the night, President and owner of Bentlia Productions, Engineer Benjamin Austria, together with the President and CEO of Eco Mixed Construction and Development Corporation, Ms. Moril Eco.
Congratulations to our male face of the night, Ruby Domingo.
Our male face of the night will receive a plaque and a cash prize from Bentlia Productions and Eco Mixed Construction.
Male face of the night, congratulations, Marian Rivera.
Of the night will receive a plaque and cash prize from Bentlia Productions and Eco Mixed Construction.
Gulat siya.
Gulat talaga ako. And on behalf of Miss Marian, we will be receiving the award. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so you can now congratulate yourself.
I know! Gusto ko lang sabihin na pinapatunayan lang po ng award na to na just for tonight, mas gwapo ko sa'yo.
Wow, naman, bigyan natin.
Bigyan mo na sa akin. Again, congratulations and thank you so much to our wonderful sponsors. We are almost halfway through our awarding ceremony, but we have to say thank you to someone who I admit is as handsome as me.
Hindi nga pwede kasi nga nanalo ka na yun.
Ngayon lang. Pero sa lahat ng araw, panalo ka. Let's say thank you to Mr. Alden Richards. Thank you so much for being right here doing the hosting duties for the evening.
Yes, salamat. It's always an honor to be co-hosting with you, Robbie. Siyempre, parang first yata natin to.
And I hope it's not the last.
First natin. And
Manifest the dream ko to.
Manifest natin. And as well as, of course, to Bianca and to Miss Aiko. Maraming salamat. And thank you, PMPC, for having me on this milestone night.
Yes, but it doesn't mean that iiwanan po tayo ni Alden. We'll say hello love again sa kanya. Because syempre, we'll be around because we're really excited to know kung sino nga ba ang mag-uwi ng Best Actor and Best Actress crown. And Alden is one of the strong contenders of the evening. Sobra.
Grabe naman yung strong.
Nandito yung buong family and fans mo. Can we hear a big roar coming from the fans of Alden?
Thank you, boss.
Alright.
Pero yan,
Good luck, brother.
of course, malalaman natin yan. Sa pagbabalik ng the 40th Star Awards for Movies, we'll be right back with more exciting awards. Thank you, boss.